Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Fortnite on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Since Fortnite isn't available on the Play Store, here's how you can get it on your phone. First of all, open your device settings. Scroll down until you see the Apps option and tap on it. From there, find Chrome in the list and open it. Scroll down and tap on Install Unknown Apps, then switch this option on. Once that's done, exit the settings and open Chrome. In the search bar, type Epic Games. Epic Games is where you can download Fortnite from. After searching, open the Epic Games website. Tap on the menu at the top left, and under the Play section, tap on Fortnite. Next, tap on Play Now, and then choose Download Now. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Download anyway. It's safe since it's coming directly from Epic Games. The download will begin, and once it's finished, tap Open. You'll then be asked if you want to install the Epic Games Store. Simply tap Install. After the installation is complete, tap Open. Now find Fortnite from the store, tap on it, and then tap Install. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, launch the game and Fortnite will start. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Fortnite on Android. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.